1, 2s. 1, 2.
And they come with that.
Pontus.
Welcome, sir.
Are you deaf? What kept you so long? I've been knocking.
Sorry, sir.
What happened to your hand?
Oga. You know, say, Chief talk say make I no allow you come out without his consent. So I say make I use bandage tie my hand so that if he see me go think say we struggle before he come out.
Wait. Did you tell him I did this to you?
Yes. So I feel to return my job. Very important.
Ah.
Very important. Yes.
Is my father home?
Yes.
Is my wife back?
No, sir. No, I had no other option than to do this. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Hi. I don't understand this family again, no, at all. If a whole small oga, they use leg, trek, come out outside now, or even enter public transport. Ha! Things they change for this world, though.
Son, where are you coming from? And you just barged into my room with that courtesy of knocking. Doesn't it sound disrespectful to you?
Dad, I'm just coming from a pastor's office. I had to consult a man of God to ask very important questions about my life and that of my son. After meeting with the pastor, he mentioned your name. He said, my father is behind all the havoc happening in my life and that of my son.
Ifeanyi, at your level and age, you are still visiting those scammers, those pastors who are good for nothing, only good in breaking homes. Well, anyway, I cannot be the one killing you. How can I kill my only child? It's not possible.
Dad, two people who do not know you can't lie against you. Okay, let's all assume the native doctor lied. The pastor couldn't have lied against you as well.
So, in other words, you believed I am the one killing you.
Dad, I'm giving you 7 days. I'm giving you 7 days to speak the truth. Dad, I am giving you 7 days to tell me everything you know about my health and that of my son. Otherwise,
get out of my room.
7 days, Dad.
You heard me? Get out of my room. Listen, son. Do your worst. If you have anything to do Do it, and I'll pay you back in your home agency.
7 days, Dad! 7 days.
I can't believe that my father is the one against me.
Come, who is feeding this
I
voice?
can't believe that my father is the man behind
Who's after
the
me?
mask. I wanna know, tell me the truth. Are you the one tormenting me?
Hey! Who am I seeing in my village?
Hey, Rose! How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Are you going to my house? Because I know it's been a long time I've seen you in this village.
No, I came to see my boyfriend.
I thought as much. So who is this lucky guy from my village? I hope your relationship will not just end only in this.
No, actually, he's not from this village. He's one of those youth corper that came to serve here. His name is Copper James.
Copper James?
Yes. I know you must know him. They said he's popular here. And I'm not conversant with this village. This is actually my first time visiting.
So, you should have called him before coming. What if he's not around?
I know I should have called before coming, but I wanted to give him a surprise. So can you please take me to his house now?
Okay. So, promise me after you come to my house, then I'll offer you a cola.
I will, if time permits.
Your village just said there's still time. Let's go.
Thank you. Look at you. Look at you.
My father wants my son and I dead. The question is, would it profit him if we both die? I mean, the native doctor mentioned his name. The pastor equally did the same thing. My confusion is, can two people who do not know each other arrive at the same answer? This is so unbelievable. I can't.
Baby, I swear to you, I am as confused as you are. This is crazy. I cannot bring myself to think, believe, or imagine that your father will want to harm our son or you. It's crazy.
It's unbelievable.
I think you should tread with caution. I think we should take things easy in order not to have or fall into any form of trouble with your father.
Queen, at this point, I don't care. My father needs to start talking. He needs to start saying the truth.
True. But in order to get him to speak, you have to devise a diplomatic way of getting that truth. Until then, you need to rest.
Rest? No. going to sit here and think about my miserable life. That is what I need to do.
I can't believe that
my father has made my whole life miserable.
I can't believe that my father is the man behind the mask. I wanna know, tell me the truth. Are you the one tormenting me? I wanna know, what do you stand to gain? What do you stand to gain?
No, not again!
Hey! What?
Hey, what? No, not again! What is it? Not again!
Every day I'm asking God, so why me? Why me? Why? Every day I'm shedding tears, I'm crying, crying. From one problem to the other, no happiness for my family.
Doctor, stop staring at me. You need to say something. Is our son going to be alright?
Is he going to survive?
Mr. and Mrs. Morgan, we all need, please calm down. Let's go to my office. We have some issues to discuss. Please follow me.
Let's!
This whole house looks desolate. I can feel the absence of my grandson, my son and his wife. What is going on? Pontus! Gladys! Pontus!
Okay.
Gladys!
Sir?
Chief. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Hope you sleep well, sir.
What's going on? Where is my son and his son?
Chief, Chief, I beg. You have to be prayerful. Prayerful! Bad news, they ground.
What bad news?
Sir, small Oga and Madam then carry Nabi here go hospital early morning today.
Yes, Chief. Yes. And from the look of things, and also say that small boy, I doubt say he go still die alive.
Will you shut your dirty mouth? Idiot, it's you that will die.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. No vex. It's a beauty. It's a dirty, smelly man. He go put you for trouble. And then he but I don't believe it.
But not true I talk now.
That's true, Abi.
I lie?
Okay, continue. As you don't get sense. Mumu.
Now you won't get sense. You too, Mumu.
As you don't go get sense. Only you. Now you think go chop your head for this house. One day they will push you to this house.
I beg, get out. Get out. What do you do? See me see trouble, no? No be true, I just there open my mouth talk. You there they talk no rubbish. Wait oh. Na true say my mouth dey smell. I don't perceive anything now. You see him? You see him? He just stand there they talk rubbish. Never my alligator. Now your own mouth dey smell. You there the my alligator.
What happened? Where is my grandson?
I have put the ventilator on him.
None of those diseases mentioned by the doctor is realistic. They were invoked. Handwork of the devil. The funny part of it is, there's a truth you need to hear. Something that happened in your family. Something that both your dad and wife are aware of. What they did is terrible. It's a sacrilege before God and man.
Pastor, I don't understand.
Your father did it just to cover up his sin.
What did my father do?
Your wife is in the best position to tell you the rest of the story, since your father has refused to confess. But remember, only your forgiveness will keep the boy alive. So you don't have any other option here but to forgive.
But I'm trying to
Serious? What of your husband?
I don't know.
Dr. Samuel is... Where is he?
He's inside his office. Where's his office? Please. Dad, please. I don't want to lose my child. I don't want to lose my child. I beg you in God's name, I beg you. I beg you, using everything that you hold dear. If you have anything to do with his sickness, I beg you to say something. Speak out and save my boy's life. I know what I went through. You know what we went through before we had him. I won't want to lose him. I don't want to. Please. Please, I beg you. I will not want to lose him. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you, please.
So you joined him. You've joined your husband in accusing me.
I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know.
No, it's okay. It's all right. Wait. Now tell me. We are talking about my son. My own blood. Tell me, what shall it profit me if I kill him? My own blood. See, listen. You know too well they are all I have. My son and my grandson. I have weighed all my properties to them. All I labored for in life. So tell me now, how will I kill him? What shall I stand to gain from killing him? It's okay. Let's go. Get your cross.
Let go of me. Hello? Mary? Yes, he's here with me. What? Oh my God, let me go, please, I'm begging you, please, don't do anything. Don't do anything stupid. I've been with you in a jiffy, please, don't do it.
Wait, talk to me.
No.
What did he say? Tell me.
Suicide. It says if I don't come now, you'll commit suicide.
No, come on.
Outside.
Aburuka, please don't give me. Aburuka, don't give me. Please don't give me.
So you have the guts to betray me, Aburuka?
No, Aburuka, please. It was bullet who convinced me to join them. Please spare my life.
I will use you to set example in this community.
Hey, Aburuka, please. Uncle Aburuka, use bullet to show example.
I cannot.
Hey, Aburuka. Ah! Hey, Aburuka. Ah! Aburuka. 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 Aburu
Thank God it was a dream. If not, I would have been a dead man by now. I think I have to join my zoo days. Since I can't beat them, let me join them. Abuka office Ghana. Okombi. Okaisije.
Queen. I want you to tell me everything you know about my health and that of my son.
I already told you. I know nothing.
You already told me.
How am I supposed to know? I don't get it.
You liar. The pastor told me you committed an abomination with my father. Now I want you to have this in mind. If you do not confess and speak the truth, my son will die. And I'll follow. But before that happens, I'll kill you. Now stop talking!
So, I wonder who is feeling with all these lies. What do you want her to confess?
Start talking. Start talking!
I will confess. I'll confess. It happened when you went to China. Yes, you called me.
Oh, yes. Sit.
Okay.
No. Here.
I'm fine here.
I insist you sit here. Am I no more your father-in-law is scared of me? Come on, sit here.
Sure. Okay.
There is this thing I want us to discuss.
Okay, what is it?
God. A friend of mine will be having his birthday party.
Oh.
So, and it promises to be great. So he invited me. And all the invited guests are expected to turn up with their wives or their concubines.
Okay.
So I told him I don't have a wife now.
True.
You know, my wife is late. May God bless her soul. And I don't do girlfriends.
We know.
God. So I would want you to go with me, at least to represent your mother-in-law.
That's not a problem at all. Sure, why not?
Great.
However, I need to run it by my husband first.
Well, it's no problem. You have the floor. Call him, discuss it with him. I have no problem with that.
Okay.
So make sure you call him.
I will.
Yeah. At the same time, try and give me feedback before 4 p.m. so that I will know my plan B.
I was on the phone with him earlier before you called me.
Oh, that's great.
So, I'll get right to it.
Well, I'll talk to you. You're free.
I will. Can I go now?
Oh, you're free.
Excuse me.
You're welcome. This girl is fine. Very beautiful.
I falling down?
No.
Because my legs can't carry me again.
Get up, baby. Get up. Come on.
I'm really tired. I just want to go home.
No, you are home already.
Where?
Yeah. Come on, let me take you to your room.
I'm in my room.
No. Get up.
It's not my room.
Yeah, this way. Let me take you inside. Come on, baby. Yeah, get up.
Everywhere is spinning on me.
Come on. Baby.
I almost fell.
No, okay.
I knew I should have done that. Wait, it's not my fault. It's spinning. Let go back. What is it?
Oh, come on, baby.
I can't see that. Oh,
Good morning, my queen. Are you enjoying it?
Did you have me last night?
Oh yes, I did. I had you. You see, I want to help you at least to take it.
You bastard!
See, queen, see, just try to understand something.
Oh my God!
You're beautiful.
Shut up! I am your son's legally wedded wife! Are you crazy?
You're a beautiful woman.
I'm
going to return you in my house as my son's wife.
Oh, take all of it.
Just try to understand. It's in our own. Baby, you are so sweet.
Shut up! You're an evil man!
Come on, you can beat me as much as you want. There's no problem. You see, come on, baby. I did it for us to be there forever.
What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? Oh my God! No! What is it? Why are you here?
I want us to talk.
We have nothing to talk about. Leave this place!
Well, I want you to keep everything that happened between us as a top secret. I don't want your husband to hear about it.
Too bad for you. Because he will hear about it. He has to hear about it. He has to know. He has to know the evil bastard of a man he has for a father. I don't care he will hear. Even if it means losing my marriage in the process, I don't care, but he will hear.
Well, it's not about losing your marriage, but losing your life and that of your loved ones, your mother, your siblings, in fact, anything related to you will go down. So, the choice is yours.
Excuse me. You are so damn evil. I thought you loved your son.
Oh, I do. I love him so much. That's why I'm trying to help you get pregnant for him. Or would you rather love to remain childless in my house for eternity? I mean, come on. You need to have a son for him. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Well, I will leave. But remember to keep your doors open for me because I'm coming back this night to complete my assignment. So, in our own interest.
Get out! Get out! I said to get lost! Get the fuck out! Get out! Get out!
Come on, baby, calm down.
Out! Get out!
It's in your own interest.
Yes, I'm fine. Of course I miss you. Yes, he is. So, how are you feeling over there? Are you eating at all? Oh my God, Chinese food. I know. Come back home. Please come back home so you can eat some real food.
Where are you coming from?
I hope this makes you happy. Take it. It's for you.
You are pregnant. I told you it would work. My instinct never failed me. That's good.
Now that I have done your bidding, can you please let me be?
Yes. Yes, I won't disturb you again. It's a promise.
The date of this pregnancy, it's supposed to correspond with the date of the last time I slept with my husband. That was before he left for China. How am I?
Don't worry. I will handle that. When you are the best daughter-in-law anyone can ask for. Thank you. Thank you for doing this for me.
I am not doing this for you. I am doing this for my husband.
We are saying the same thing. Come on! Williams! So we are still this active.
Nabuhe is not your biological son. I'm sorry.
Dad, is that true? Is that true?
Well, everything she said is correct. I did that to make you happy.
What? My father slept with my wife to make me happy. Wow.
I'm sorry, son. You were born impotent, and there is no way you will impregnate a woman in your life. So, I used their testicles for money rituals.
What?
Yes, they told me spiritually. They asked me to boil their testicles with noodles and eat it. And I did. Son, please forgive me. Grandmaster, I want my construction company, Wakesok's Investment, to be the leading construction giant in Africa. And I want the government, federal government, to patronize me. More money.
Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great.
Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great.
More money.
More sacrifice.
It will cost your son's testicles. He will not reproduce until he dies. And as long as he lives, your company will continue to flourish, even beyond the shores of Africa. Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great. Grandmaster, how do I get it? Am I going to harvest it?
Jantamanta. 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 Take. This nylon contains an underwears. Give it to him to wear when you get home. The moment he wears it, he will remain impotent all the days of his life. And you will remain rich and influential all the days of your life. Take. Jantamanta. Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great.
Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great.
Jantamanta.
Jantamanta is great.
What? Are you my father?
Please, I'm sorry.
Are you truly my dad?
Forgive me, please.
No, you're not. I'm gonna kill you! Shut up! Shut up! You bitch! You deserve to die. You are the devil himself! And I'll kill you!
And who the fuck is calling me? Hello? What? He's awake. My son's awake. Can I speak to him? Nabuife.
Honestly, I don't deserve to. I don't deserve to leave. I said I don't deserve to leave.
I can't believe that my father is the one against me. I can't believe that my father is the man behind the mask. I wanna know, tell me the truth. Are you the one tormenting me? I wanna know, what do you stand to gain? What do you stand to gain? I wanna know, tell me the truth. Are you the one tormenting me? I wanna know, what do you stand to gain? What do you stand to gain? Are you the one tormenting me? Are you the one tormenting me? Namo, Namo. Are you the one tormenting me? Are you the one tormenting me? I can't believe that my father is the one against me. I can't believe